I'll give the floor to Greece, followed by France and the US.
Mr. President, Greece wishes to thank the Permanent Mission of Pakistan to the United Nations for the convening of the present Arria Formula Meeting, which underlines the crucial role of treaties, an integral part of international law, with regards to maintenance of international peace and security. Mr. President, the 1969 Vienna Convention on the Law of the Treaties, which codified pertinent rules regarding treaties concluded among states, highlighted the fundamental rule that agreements must be honored, pacta sunt servanda. Indeed, treaties are governed by international law and are binding upon parties to them by virtue of the pacta sunt servanda rule. Greece, throughout her history, has always observed her obligation emanating from treaties, having as core objective the maintenance of peace and security, the advancement of good neighborly relations, and the stability and prosperity that can come from mutually beneficial engagements. Treaties, being a primary source of international law, are instrumental for legal certainty, legal security, and predictability in the relations between states. They contribute significantly to the maintenance of international peace and security based on law and justice, on the respect of equal rights between states, and on principle of sovereign equality of states. This is particularly important with regards to treaties establishing frontiers among states, which remain unaffected also in cases of state succession and cannot be suspended or terminated on the basis of a fundamental change of circumstances. At the same time, treaties often reflect customary rules of international law, becoming also binding upon third states, as is the case of 1949 Geneva Conventions and the 1982 UNCLOS. The role of International Court of Justice and other international courts in treaties, applications, and interpretation should be highlighted. Indeed, ICJ and other international judicial bodies not only clarify treaties provisions, but also guarantee that disputes concerning treaties, like other international disputes, are settled by peaceful means and in conformity with the principles of justice and international law. It seems rather fitting to conclude with the United Nations Charter, a treaty in its own right, with the aim to ensure peace and security, respect for human rights, and sustainable development for all. Adopted 80 years ago, the UN Charter has served as a principal framework for the maintenance of international peace and security, the bedrock of international law, and the standard of international actions. It is this Charter that serves as the legal foundation of this very body, the Security Council, bestowed with the primary responsibility to maintain of peace and security. Yet it is this Charter, forged through 2 world wars and lived amidst the threat of nuclear annihilation, that is currently confronted with grave challenges. As we witness the fundamental principles of the Charter being compromised, it is our collective and individual responsibility to uphold and defend them. They remain our shared values and commitments, and they cannot be negotiated. I thank you.
Thank you very much.